At peak, like what were you from a volume standpoint? How big was the company? Kind of like in this, I'm assuming I don't know if it's a heyday or not, but like it seemed like it's a time where you do a lot of work. Like what was the size?
At our peak, and I can't even make this up as far as union drivers,
Yeah.
I had 100 union drivers, Teamsters. Our payroll was in the hundreds of thousands every week.
Wow.
I can't make it up, and we're doing probably 4,000 to 5,000 deliveries a day.
If this insight helped, there's more inside the huddle. Join today, 7 days on us. It's time to huddle up.